Hey, what's up, Chemical Guys family, and welcome to a brand new video and a brand new product drop. That's right, we have a brand new product. We have our DetailVac portable handheld car maintenance vacuum cleaner with accessories. So today we're going to show you guys how fast, fun, and easy it is to maintain your interior clean on the go with our all new DetailVac vacuum cleaner. All right guys, so now that I've shown you guys what it is, let's open it up and see what's inside. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and open this up from the top. And you'll find that you have this super awesome and convenient Chemical Guys branded bag that you can actually store your vacuum in and all your accessory in as well. So now we're going to move this out the way, pull this into frame, and let's go ahead and open it up together. So we're going to go ahead and unzip it and check it out, you guys. You have a ton of cool stuff in here, and we'll go through everything one by one, starting off with this super cool flexible hose, which you can actually use as an attachment and as an extension. That way you can go ahead and get into any kind of hard to reach areas. And then you also have a replacement filter, which filters out any kind of abrasive particles. That way it doesn't get into the motor and damage it. And now we can go ahead and pull out the unit itself. So check it out. This is our Chemical Guys DetailVac vacuum cleaner. And as you guys can see, this thing is pretty awesome. We've actually designed it from the ground up with a unique design that's not only lightweight, but also has strong suction power. That way you can get all the kinds of debris and stuff that's caught within the cracks and crevices of your vehicle. It also has a 16-foot long cable, so you can easily get from one end of your vehicle to the other without any kind of hesitation or hassle. So that's extremely great and convenient for us. That way we can go ahead and clean all kinds of vehicles, not just compact SUVs, but regular cars and full-size trucks as well. So it'll be interesting is if you can use it on a limo as well. So as you guys can see, the unit is all complete. This piece actually detaches. You can actually pop this out. And as you guys can see, it pops right out. That way you can go ahead and remove your filter. That way if you want to wash it or clean it out, you can easily do so. And all you have to do is simply slide it back in, and it hooks up to this little ridge right here. So it locks right into place and it doesn't move while you're vacuuming. And you also have this rubber flap right here, which keeps all the particles and debris within the actual cone itself. That way it doesn't fall out as you're vacuuming your interior. And to pop it back in, it's extremely easy. All you have to do is hook it from the bottom, and it clicks right on top, and you're all good to go. The power button is located right here, right on top. So all I have to do is simply click it on, click it off, and that's it. It's that easy. And as you guys can see, it has a very unique handle right here, which you can easily grab onto. That way you have any kind of maneuverability to get all around your vehicle with ease. So we're gonna go ahead and set that to the side, and we'll continue with pulling out everything else. You have a long nozzle right here to get into those deeper cracks and crevices that these other nozzles don't really allow you to get into. And you also have this brush attachment, which you can use to scrub away any kind of more embedded debris or pet hairs that are lodged within the carpets or upholstery of your vehicle. And last but not least, you have this nice little dusting brush right here, which you can use to clean your filter, clean your vacuum, or even on your interior just to dust away any kind of cracks and crevices like your air vents or anything like that. So now that I've shown you everything that comes with the DetailVac, now we're gonna make our way to the vehicle and show you guys how to use all these attachments on your ride. Before we get into any kind of detailing, one thing I do wanna mention is some of the technical specifications of the DetailVac, such as it has a maximum motor power of 110 watts with a working voltage of 12 volts and a current of 8.8 amps, and it weighs approximately 2.7 pounds. All right guys, so now we're in the vehicle. Now we're gonna show you guys how to easily connect your DetailVac vacuum cleaner. So the first thing that you wanna do is open up the flap of your DC port. And if you have a flap, just go ahead and open that up. If you don't, even better. I think my truck doesn't have one, so don't gotta waste time there. But now all you have to do is simply grab the unit itself and then go ahead and connect it. And you're all good to go. Now, before you start, we highly recommend that you use this unit while your vehicle is on. That way it doesn't drain the battery and for best performance. And another thing to keep in mind is if you do plan on using it, make sure that you're using it in a well-ventilated area. So now that that's all set, we're gonna go ahead and make our way to the back seat where it's the dirtiest because there's a ton of dirt, grime, crumbs, and crackers, and oatmeal, and goldfish, and cookies, and you name it. So we're gonna go ahead and meet you guys back there and show you guys the efficiency and the super suction power of the DetailVac. All right guys, so now that we have our DetailVac plugged in, now we're gonna show you guys how quick and easy it is to vacuum your interior on the go, no matter where you're at, whether you're at the park, at the beach, in the woods, in a parking lot, you name it, wherever you're at. This is the perfect unit because it's portable. You can take it with you, keep it in your vehicle, and just really vacuum your interior anytime you want at your own convenience. So right now we're gonna show you guys how quick and easy it is right here on this little seat right here. So this right here is actually leather, but we'll actually show you guys on the carpets and upholstery as well. So all we're gonna do is simply turn it on, and we're gonna start sucking up all this granola that's on the surface. All right, guys, and just like that, we quickly vacuumed this little area of the vehicle, and just check out all the crumbs and debris that was in there. And that's the beauty about this vacuum filter itself, is that this little knob right here, it actually prevents all the stuff from falling out of the nozzle itself. That way it stays in there, and it makes it easy for you to just dump it out once you're all done. So you can go ahead and vacuum your entire interior, and then once you're all done, just like I showed you guys at the table, all you have to do is simply pop it up, pop it out, remove the filter, and throw out the debris. So now we're going to show you guys a couple examples of where to use some of these tips, such as the long tip and especially that hose nozzle as well, so that way you can get into any kind of hard to reach areas like the car seat and any kind of cracks and crevices that you'll need a smaller nozzle for. All right, guys, so now we have our long nozzle, and we're just going to go ahead and connect that into the tip of the vacuum. And now we can use this nozzle to get into all these kind of intricate cracks and crevices on this car seat. As you guys can see, this baby here had a pretty good meal with all these crumbs laying around. So we're gonna go ahead and clean all this up with the long tip nozzle. And just check out how easy it is to just go ahead and suck up all the lodged in contaminants that are sitting within this car seat itself. It's very easy, it's convenient, it's portable. You can do this anytime, anywhere. That way your kid doesn't have to be rolling around in a crusty, dirty, full of crumbs kind of seat. And I think one of my favorite things about this nozzle is that you can get into areas that you can't normally vacuum, such as your cup holders, especially on this car seat. You guys can see right here just how quickly and effectively we can vacuum these areas. All right, guys, so now that we're done basically cleaning the top half of the seats, now we're gonna move on to the bottom with our brush nozzle and the long hose tube. All right, guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and remove our long tip nozzle and replace it with the flexible hose with the brush attachment at the end of the hose. And we're gonna be using this to clean basically the majority of the actual carpets themselves. Now, keep in mind, you can use it whichever way you want. There's no right or wrong way of using the DetailVac. Whatever's most convenient for yourself, by all means, go ahead and do that. In this case, I'm just demonstrating to you guys the different flexibilities of all the different accessories that come with the DetailVac. So if you prefer to actually clean your carpets by simply using the original nozzle like this, you can totally do so. If you prefer to have more of a controlled and more of a reach, you can actually use the hose nozzle with the brush, which I find very effective because you can actually use the brush to kind of scrub away any kind of embedded or more lodged in kind of contaminants. So we're gonna go ahead and use the brush, just show you guys how quickly and easy it is to remove all this debris from the carpet. All right, guys, and just like that, we're at the halfway point of cleaning this carpet. And as you guys can see, it's very easy and effective to use the DetailVac to just quickly clean all this up. Like I said, this combination is personally my favorite just because the brush actually helps pick up all those lodged in kind of contaminants. And as you guys can see, it does a great job of just picking up any kind of daily things that you run into when you get into your vehicle, whether it be just like, crumbs from cookies or crackers, to, you know, twigs and leaves and, you know, just the normal stuff that you run into and step on a daily basis, this is going to be the perfect tool to just quickly and easily clean up your vehicle on the go. So that's the beauty about the DetailVac, is that you can use it anytime, anywhere, hassle-free, quick and easy. You know, I really don't know how else to put it, just because it's just an effective tool to just have with you at all times. That way you can just keep your car nice and fresh. Another area where the DetailVac shines very beautifully is in the cup holder areas of your vehicle, especially because it's very difficult to kind of wipe away fine debris, especially with the microfiber towel, because even if you get it out, it's most likely just going to fly onto the sides of your seats or into your carpets. With the DetailVac, you don't have to worry about that. All you have to do is simply stick it in with the long tip nozzle, pick up all that stuff, and ensure that it's not going on any other part of your interior. So I'll show you guys right here just how quickly and easily it is to go ahead and clean it up. Another area that the DetailVac is perfect for is for getting into your vents. Now I know it may sound crazy, you know, why would you vacuum your vents? But why wouldn't you vacuum your vents? So now we're gonna use the long hose nozzle with the brush attachment. That way we can get all the dust away from the vents itself, and you can actually use it on your dashboard as well. So if you have that fine layer of dust and debris on there, go ahead and use your DetailVac to go ahead and just suck it all up. All right guys, so now we're gonna speed things up a little bit, and we're gonna kick it off to a montage showing you guys how to thoroughly vacuum this entire interior, utilizing all the different attachments that comes with the DetailVac. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. right, guys, and just like that, we're all done vacuuming this entire interior with the all-new DetailVac vacuum. Now, one quick thing I do want to just throw in there, the DetailVac is great for on-the-go portable cleaning. So it's not going to replace any of your professional vacuums or anything like that. If your vehicle does require a fully deep clean, maybe you're working on a super dirty vehicle or a vehicle that's not your own and you do it as a business, this is going to work out great for on-the-go cleaning. If you do need the extra deep clean, then you can go ahead and use a traditional vacuum. But like I said, this is going to be the perfect tool for your vehicle, for you guys out there who are on the go. You know, you have pets in your vehicle, you have kids that love throwing crackers and crumbs all over the place. This is going to be the ultimate tool for your ride to keep your ride spick and clean every single time. So all we have left to do is to put our DetailVac back into our provided bag. That way we can go ahead and seal it up, zip it up, and we can go ahead and throw it in the back seat for the next time that we want to vacuum our interior. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and if you guys want to pick up your DetailVac, you can do so by visiting the link in the description or the link in the pinned comment in the comment section down below. And if you guys want to pick it up in person, you can pick it up at your local Detail Garage store. As always, my name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys Detail Garage. We'll see you guys next time.